In this video here at the Nitro Garage, today we're going to build a piece right here on this curved piece on the roof where it was rusted out. We're going to get it, make it out of 18 gauge sheet metal. We're going to show you how we do it by hand with our anvil and our little dolly we got and a body hammer. So let's do it. So I made a paper template out of just some poster board. We're going to get it on here on this piece of 18 gauge sheet metal. We're going to mark it out and we're going to cut it out. Let's get this going right here. If you do a lot of sheet metal work, you should get yourself one of these here. It's a Makita sheet metal shear and it works wonders. So we built right now, it's our basic 18 gauge sheet metal flat piece. Now we're going to start beating it out into a curve. Our last video, we showed you how we used our anvil, homemade anvil. Now I got this here, this 10-inch, it's like an 8 or a 10-inch I-beam. Got a big 1-inch plate on the bottom to hold it down. 1-inch plate on top. I use that for beating out a lot of stuff. But for this part, I'm going to use the flat hammer. So I get a nice edge on it, rolled edge on it. Hammering it, I just kind of, I call it draw hammering. You pull it off like this, you kind of hit the metal and go like that and pull it like that. Rolling the sheet metal back and forth like this so I can get over that curve, make it round. Starting to get that round curve, kind of an egg shape to it now. So now I'm going to go back over to my other dolly hammer and I'm going to use it on here, try to get a little more curve with it. What we're doing is we're basically stretching the metal. It's coming wrong. We're getting it. This is the piece we're making right here now. We're trying to get this curved piece here, this piece here to fit in there. It's getting close. Still needs a little more from over here. It needs to be rolled a little bit tighter there. Probably just take it like this. I'm just going to bend it around a little bit. Just little bends at a time. It's probably going to leave a little bit of creases here, so we have to go back and dolly them back out. Now it needs to be twisted a little bit this way. A little bit more curve on here. If you have planishing hammers, English wheels, and all that stuff, you know, that makes it a lot easier. But sometimes, not everybody's got that. But this shows you how you can do it by hand without a lot of tools. So now we're getting pretty close there. I made the piece a little bit bigger just so we have some room to play here to get make it fit. Now we got our metal shaped. I use these 1/2-inch magnets. I got these at Harbor Freight. Any place you buy a hardware store's probably got these little magnets. Hold it into place. I would start tack welding it across here, get it tacked into place. Pick my die grinder with the 1/32 blade, real thin blade. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to cut right across this edge like this here, just like that with the die grinder all the way across. That way this thing will lay down flat. Okay, as you can see, our panel's fitting in there pretty good now. We got a nice contour to it, both like round, both shapes. That's how you do it anyway. We'll show you when we get it all welded in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel, The Nitro Garage. Also check us out on Facebook and Instagram at The Nitro Garage. Thank you very much. Have a good day.